Hello everybody, this is Daryl Whitman with DestinationWVFTV. Thank you for watching. Me and my wife just completed a 7-day cruise on the largest cruise ship in the world, Royal Caribbean's Icon of the Seas. We booked an Ocenview balcony cabin. This video will take you on a tour of our cabin. Let's get started. Our cabin number was 14304. We were on deck 14, cabin number 304. You can see from the panel that our cabin was located toward the rear of the ship. To enter the cabin, you simply tap your SeaPass card on the anchor symbol, and the green light will appear rather quickly, and I believe you also hear a little clicking sound. You can then just open the door and enter the cabin. Once you enter the cabin, immediately on the right, you'll see the thermostat and lighting controls. The thermostat is simple to use. Just press the arrows either up or down to set your desired temperature. As for the lighting, the switch on the left is for lighting in the entire cabin, and the switch on the right is for the bathroom. The bathroom is located on your right as you enter the cabin. We found it to be sufficient to meet our needs as cruise ship bathrooms go. The shower was a good size. The water temperature was great, as was the water flow. The area around the sink was small, as is to be expected. There was shelving space next to the sink and on the opposite wall, and the door to the bathroom closed magnetically, which made it a little more quiet when closing. Continuing on through the cabin, there's a full-length mirror for styling and profiling before going out. That's me in my Pittsburgh Pirates jersey, repping my favorite player of all time, Roberto Clemente. By the way, the mirror has a hidden compartment behind it, and it includes the in-room safe as well as additional storage with shelves. We didn't discover it until a few days into the cruise. Pretty clever, I think. Just around the corner from the bathroom, on the right, are the closets. The first closet is the smaller of the two closets. Of course, that would be the side that I was given. Go figure. It is the longer of the two closets and was really sufficient for me. The second closet is the bigger closet and includes 4 compartments with baskets to hold any additional items you may want to store. The cabin also included a set of 3 hooks on the left side of the cabin for hanging additional items. There's a small table that we had our water sitting on, but it can be used as a tray table as well. The vanity was a good size. It had 5 drawers. At least 2 were pretty deep. There were also the soft close drawers. Located on the bottom right of the vanity was a cabinet that housed the in-room fridge. The fridge was small and couldn't hold more than a few items. There were 2 lighting switches, one for the mirror and one for the cabin. There was also a converter outlet for a European plug, 2 USB ports, and an electrical outlet. Notice the large flat-screen television directly in front of the king-size bed. The cabin also includes a nice-sized couch, a sleeper sofa, I assume. By the way, that's the lovely Etta Whitman on the couch. I take her with me everywhere I go. There was lighting on both sides of the bed. Each side of the bed also included a small side table and a USB port, electrical outlet, and a switch for the lighting. The switch between the light and the curtain controls the lighting on the balcony. Finally, let's take a look at the balcony. We love balcony cabins because we enjoy being able to step outside and enjoy the awesome sea views, taking in the fresh sea air, and just relaxing. Our balcony was perfectly suited for all of that. The size was pretty standard. It came with 2 lounge chairs and a table. The lounge chairs had a warning to not lay them all the way back. Why? I don't know. But we complied. Overall, the balcony was about what we expected. Before ending, I wanted to give some props to our stateroom attendant. His name was Desai, and he was excellent. Before he had even met us, he greeted us by name when we were coming back from breakfast. When we would go out in the mornings for breakfast in the Windjammer, he would have our cabins clean and made up before we got back. There were 2 occasions he was cleaning when we got back, but we just waited on the balcony until he finished. He was awesome, and I just wanted to mention it here. We did leave him a very nice tip at the end of the cruise. This is Daryl Whitman. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next episode of Destination WVF TV.